Accounting. Tips about balance sheets, salary, taxes, and more. Written by Gerard Howles and Nathan Sides. Narrated by Wes Grant and Chloe Jacobson.
Accounting. Dividends, Debt, and Financial Risks Explained by Gerard Howles. Narrated by Wes Grant. Chapter 1. What are dividends? In accounting, dividends usually refer to the money dividends that a corporation pays to its stockholders or investors. Dividends are typically paid quarterly, but could be paid at other times. For a dividend to be paid, the corporation's board of directors must officially approve/declare the dividend. For this reason, the board of directors may choose that a dividend won't be announced. Definition of dividends. It is necessary to note that the dividends announced and paid by a corporation are not an expenditure of the corporation. Rather, dividends are a distribution of the corporation's earnings. This explains why state laws very likely need corporations to have a credit balance in retained earning before declaring and paying dividends. Virtually speaking, the corporation must also have enough cash readily available to meet its current and future needs. While all corporations have common stock, some corporations will also have their preferred stock. In that circumstance, the preferred investors must get their dividend before the common investors. Declaring a dividend. When the board of directors announces a dividend, it will result in a debit to retained earnings and a credit to a liability such as dividends payable. When the corporation pays the dividend, dividends payable will be debited and money will be credited. Because retained earnings belongs to shareholders' equity, the statement and payment of a dividend reduces the corporation's assets and its shareholders' equity. How are dividends paid when there are dividends in arrears? When a corporation has dividends in arrears on its cumulative favored stock, it must first pay the past omitted preferred dividends and then the existing year's favored dividends before it can pay its common investors any dividends. For instance, if a corporation has cumulative favored stock with an annual dividend of 10.
Sample complete. Ready to continue?